Hey guys, it's Diego from Machina and I'm really pumped to be here today at this grill factory in Jiangmen. Now I don't know about you guys, but I've always wondered, how do they test these things before they get shipped out? I mean, do they have some kind of big barbecue or something? Well, today we're going to find out, so let's go. Hey, 你好，你好。要什么是你？
挺有晚餐。
Hamburger! Oh! Huh? That's cool. Great. This reminds me of like a scene out of Star Wars. This is the exhibition room, and I have just found out something very, very shocking. Despite the fact that these workers have been producing hundreds of thousands of these grills and shipping them worldwide, most of them have never tried Western style barbecue. I mean, I grew up in the UK, but I definitely know more than just fish and chips. I mean, there's cheese on toast. So I will have a challenge for them. This is the QC engineer of the factory. I will whip up some classic Western style barbecue and he will whip up some classic Chinese barbecue. So this will be a taste test to see which one the workers will like the most. Now, why the QC engineer, you ask? Well, in fact, he is a well-seasoned grill master. And you will find out why shortly. This is going to be so much fun, guys. I'm really excited. Let's get this grill started and let's do some barbecuing.
Ketchup is the sauce of the gods.
Yeah, I agree.
Like, what do you mean you're not coming? You said you will be here. But now you put me in a situation, they're waiting for me. I gotta cook the food, I'm by myself. No. What am I gonna do? So it's a little bit past 8 o'clock and our grill master has disappeared. I got no idea where he's gone. And yeah, so whilst I try and fix this, let's take a look at the tour. Once you have the initial design, the next step is to create a prototype. Now, the prototype is used to test the design and to ensure it functions properly. The grill is tested for leaks, weight distribution, and any other possible issues. During this process, the engineer will attach multiple temperature sensors to different parts of the grill. First, they will check that the temperature in the grill can be reached a certain point at any given time to ensure that your barbecue finishes on time. Oh, come on. You had one job. Now, one key factor of a good grill is heat distribution, which needs to be fast and it needs to be even. Now, this is the interesting part. They will actually place bread in different parts of the grill to see if it can cook from the center to the edges evenly. After that, multiple rounds of testing will be done with different meats. This is because we do not want your steak to be half well done and the other half raw. Now, these are all made of different metal parts, which we're about to see in the massive production room right over this way. These customized molds will be used to cut different metal pieces. Typically, each grill consists of 40 to 50 metal parts. This giant, enormous container can hold up to thousands of different molds, each of which can cost anywhere from hundreds of thousands to hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now imagine that. There are so many different types of molds here. Look at this place. It's like a labyrinth. It's so big. Oh my, wow. That's just incredible. And look at the size of these fans, they are massive. I honestly feel really small when I'm walking through here. The metal sheets are stamped into the required shape using a stamping press. Now, each press can have up to 35 tons to 200 tons of force. That's the equivalent of 40 African elephants. So imagine that. Now what he's done is he's pre-cut the metal, stuck it on top. You put the mold here and then you press down with the stamping press like so. And while that's happening, he's preparing the next bit of metal there. As the stamping process is continuing, it's going to come out like so. And you have, I don't really know what shape it is, but it's a very cool, smooth finish. I mean, look at it, it's pretty cool, right? This machine is folding the edges of the metal right now. Nice. Now that the metal has been already shaped, it's time to move on to the next step. Let's go. The different metal pieces are then welded together to make part of the grill. As you can see, it's very smooth finish, and that's because it's already been grounded, so when it's welded, it's got a real smooth finish, and it's pretty durable as well. Now, one thing I've noticed is that, of course, everyone's wearing the protective gear, which is encouraging to see. But most fascinating is that a lot of the welders are actually women, which is something new to me. I haven't seen that very often. Now, once the metal pieces are prepared, we then move on to the next step, so let's go. A lot of people don't even clean their grills. Is it safe? It's important to clean your grills. Why? Because it comes in direct contact with food. And that brings us on to coating. The first type is porcelain enamel coating. It is a type of ceramic that is applied to metal surfaces. It is very strong and can withstand high temperatures, making it ideal for use on grills. It is typically used on the lid and grilling areas of a grill. Porcelain enamel coating is safe for food because it is non-reactive and does not spread chemicals onto the food. It is also very easy to clean and maintain. So after the spray, the conveyor belt takes the parts onto the kiln for firing. And I'm standing right next to this kiln right now, and it is really damn hot. I mean, you can't see it on camera, but it is sweating here, and I'm about to get out of here because it's too hot. The rest of the grill will be powder coated, which is a type of surface finishing, but it all happens inside this giant machine. Now, powder coating helps with protecting with rust and corrosion, as well as making the grill look nice and smooth. Once that is all done, it then gets sent to the assembly line. So, I don't know about you, but I'm really hungry, I'm really excited, and let's go and check it out. Over here, the grills are getting assembled, packed, and ready to be shipped. I don't know about you, but they look damn cool, and I wish I could really have one. Okay, that's about it. It's time to eat some food, so I want to win this contest, so let's go and get some grub. The grill master is so intimidated by my presence that he's basically left me to his minions. I'm still going to try and convince one of these guys that my food is better. Let's see. So, get the first one now. Here we go, here we go. Lovely, juicy burger coming up. It's good, yeah?
That's what
yeah, that one, yep, that one there, yep. What you do is you put the cheese on top of the meat.
Here it goes. Yeah.
Really? It's good, yeah? Then we prep it, and now you see the cheese is nicely melted. This is the first burger. Who would like a burger? Yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. How chama? Yeah? Would you rather this burger or this Chinese food?
Hamburger.
Hamburger! Oh, we got a hamburger, yes! We got a hamburger.
Maybe this time I prefer hamburger.
Wow, that's 2 people. Fantastic. This is a result. I can't believe it. Oh, okay. So I am absolutely stuffed. I'm the last man standing. Everybody ate all my food. I'm very happy because I actually got 3 votes to 1, so I definitely won. And I also won by default because, let's face it, the grill master bailed on me, you know, so just by that alone, I won. I'm very impressed with the Chinese barbecue, and the workers here do an amazing job. Like, the most impressive thing here though was the amount of molds it takes to like build a grill. I had no idea it takes so many metal parts to piece together a grill that I take for granted, that we all love to eat, you know, from. So overall, I'm, you know, very satisfied with our trip here, and I hope you guys learned something. I'm Diego from Machina. If you want to see more videos like this and have more factories you want us to tour, comment down below, get in touch, and we'll see you next time.